heart's beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us.
Namaste and welcome to Home Nurture. It's a rainy Sunday here in Berlin, and I can't wait to share how I spent my cozy day at home. Let's start by bringing a touch of freshness to our space. Fresh flowers always brighten up a room. Today, I am placing these beautiful blooms on my dining table to create a cheerful and inviting atmosphere.
Two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Let's make a simple yet delicious breakfast sandwich with yogurt, green onions and spinach and capsicum. Perfect for a rainy morning. This combination is light, nutritious and so easy to make.
Two hearts running wild.
There is something magical about enjoying a quiet breakfast on a rainy Sunday. It's a perfect time to reflect and connect with our thoughts. You know, life is full of ups and downs, but it's these simple moments that bring us the most joy. A homemade meal, the sound of rain, the warmth of a cozy home, and these are the things that truly matters.
We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night.
Mix these chopped veggies into the yogurt. This adds a nice crunch and fresh flavor to our sandwich. And a pinch of salt to taste and a dash of red pepper powder for a bit of spice. Mix everything well.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Heat a pan and add a bit of butter for a golden crispy finish.
Pours dust from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass.
And there you have it, a delicious crispy yogurt and veggie sandwich. Perfectly simple and oh so satisfying. Enjoy this delightful sandwich and start your day with a smile. Sometimes we get so caught up in the hustle and bustle that we forget to pause and appreciate the little things. Taking a moment to enjoy a delicious breakfast like this sandwich is a wonderful reminder to slow down and savor life. It is important to nurture ourselves, not just our homes. Rather, it is spending time with loved ones, enjoying a hobby, or simply taking a break. These small acts of self-care can make a big difference in our well-being. So, take a moment today to do something that makes you happy. Enjoy a good meal, read a good book, or just sit quietly and listen to the rain. Life is made up of these precious little moments, and they are worth cherishing.
It will stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be.
Now, let's tackle some cleaning. I recently learned a new technique from fellow creators on YouTube. Using a wet microfiber cloth, we will clean the couch effectively. This method is gentle on the fabric and removes dust and stains easily. It is amazing what you can learn from the community online.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Did you know that the water used for rinsing lentils is great for plants? It is full of nutrients, making it a wonderful eco-friendly way to nourish our green friends.
It was the best we ever had. It will stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
As I water my plants, I am reminded of how important it is to nurture all living things, whether it's plants, ourselves, or our relationship. Just like these plants, we all need care and attention to grow. Sometimes it's the simplest act of kindness and care that make the biggest difference.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass.
Adding fresh spinach and green onion in your dal makes more delicious.
Wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna.
Cooking is such a wonderful way to connect with our culture and heritage.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Growing up, I remember my family kitchen always filled with the aromas of spices and the sounds of laughter. What are some of your favorite family food memories? Share them in comments. Let's cook the dal. This lentil stew is a staple in the Indian cuisine. It's hearty, nutritious, and so comforting today. I'm using yellow lentils, tur dal, and chana dal, cooked with a bit of turmeric cumin. To finish the dal, we will add a tempering of spices.
Two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
When I am craving for Loki, I cook jukni in Loki style.
To take us higher. The night night's young, it has just begun.
This is a great vegetable that adapts wonderfully to Indian spices. I will be cooking it in the style of Loki, which is traditionally made with bottle gourd. Sauteing the zucchini with a bit of cumin, turmeric and coriander powder. These spices not only add flavor but also have incredible health benefits. Do you have any favorite spices or secret ingredient that you love to use in your cooking? I'd love to hear about them.
The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the
Making roti from scratch is a therapeutic process. The soft, palatable dough and rhythmic rolling, it is feels so grounding.
morning, it's the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be.
Cooking a meal like this is not just about nourishment, it's about connection. Connection to our heritage, to our families, and to ourselves. Thank you for spending this time with me in the kitchen. I hope you try making this simple Indian thali and feel the same warmth and joy it brings me. Let me know in the comments how your thali turned out, or if you have any questions about the recipes. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more cozy and nourishing content. Until next time, keep nurturing your home and heart. Enjoy your meal.